In the ever-evolving world of design and entrepreneurship, there lies a timeless truth. Beauty can be born from simplicity, and profit can emerge from creativity paired with vision. And nowhere is this more evident than in the transformation of old chairs and weathered wood into stunning, marketable treasures that today's buyers cannot resist, because these pieces, once overlooked as waste or relics of the past, carry within them the potential to be reborn into functional art that speaks louder than mass-produced goods and resonates deeply with those seeking authenticity and style in their living spaces. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of design and ideas of transforming old wood chairs into profitable art and income generator treasure. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Imagine walking into a flea market, a garage sale, or even stumbling upon discarded chairs on the side of the road, and instead of seeing objects destined for the landfill, you envision the curves of the wood, the worn armrests, the faded finishes, and the stories embedded in their grains, and in that vision lies the spark of transformation, sanding away the years to reveal hidden textures, applying a fresh finish that elevates its charm, or reimagining it altogether into something new, like a bench, a shelf, or a statement decor piece. This is not just craft, it is reinvention, it is storytelling, and it is the art of turning simplicity into beauty that captures the eyes and hearts of buyers who value more than utility. They value uniqueness, character, and the soulful touch of a maker. In a world dominated by fast furniture and disposable decor, the allure of a handcrafted piece made from reclaimed wood or revived furniture stands out as something that feels alive, one of a kind, and meaningful. And that uniqueness translates directly into profitability, because people are willing to pay for pieces that elevate their spaces while connecting them to a sustainable and artistic lifestyle. The possibilities are endless when it comes to old chairs and weathered wood, because each piece of material carries its own personality, its own imperfections that can be celebrated rather than hidden, and its own ability to be shaped into something unexpected. And this endless creative potential means that for the entrepreneur, the DIY enthusiast, or the beginner eager to start a woodworking journey, there is no shortage of opportunities to craft a niche, tell a story, and carve out a place in the marketplace. Every scratch on an old chair can be seen as a mark of character, every knot in a plank as a piece of natural art, and every uneven edge as an invitation to embrace rustic beauty rather than sterile perfection. And this shift in perspective is what allows makers to transform what was once forgotten into treasures that command attention in today's modern decor trends. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Buyers are not just shopping for furniture or decoration. They are searching for experiences, for objects that carry meaning, for items that feel personal rather than manufactured. And this is exactly where reclaimed and revitalized woodwork thrives, because each creation carries not only the design, but also the narrative of sustainability, renewal, and imagination. Think of the endless ways an old chair could be reborn: a carved backrest repurposed into a rustic headboard, chair legs transformed into stylish lamp stands, or the frame reshaped into an elegant garden bench that breathes new life into outdoor spaces. And in each reinvention lies not only beauty, but also profit, because the cost of raw materials is minimal while the value of artistry and uniqueness multiplies the final worth. Weathered wood, too, offers boundless potential. Its aged patina, its weather-beaten texture, and its sturdy resilience are qualities that can be showcased rather than hidden, making it ideal for crafting shelves, wall decor, tables, or abstract art pieces that appeal to modern sensibilities while preserving their natural origins. The brilliance of this path is that it requires more creativity and vision than it does financial investment, which makes it accessible to beginners and exciting for seasoned entrepreneurs who want to expand their reach into eco-conscious, handcrafted markets that are flourishing in today's world. The transformation of old chairs and weathered wood into profitable treasures is more than a business opportunity. It is a movement that bridges artistry and sustainability. That answers the growing demand for products that are both beautiful and responsible, and that allows makers to find fulfillment in knowing that their work not only decorates homes, but also helps reduce waste and reimagine resources. For the customer, each piece tells a story of revival. A dining room adorned with a reclaimed chair-turned accent piece feels more alive. A living room showcasing a coffee table made from weathered wood becomes a conversation starter. And a bedroom decorated with handcrafted shelves holds not just objects, but also the silent testimony of creativity and renewal. For the creator, each sale is more than profit. It is a validation of vision, a reward for seeing possibility where others saw discard, and an encouragement to keep exploring the endless pathways of transformation that this craft offers. The market, now more than ever, is hungry for this type of work because buyers are rejecting the disposable mindset of mass production and are instead investing in pieces that last, that tell stories, and that blend functionality with artistry. And that hunger creates opportunities for anyone willing to step into the landscape of revitalizing old wood and furniture. What makes this journey even more remarkable is how it teaches resilience and resourcefulness. Working with old chairs and weathered wood is not always predictable, as each piece presents its own challenges, yet within those challenges lies the creative breakthrough. The chance to design something unexpected, and it is in that unpredictability that originality is born, and originality is the currency that transforms beauty into profit. The simplest chair leg could become the ornate detail that sets a piece apart. The roughest plank could be polished into the sleek surface of a modern table. The most weathered chair frame could, with some vision and effort, be reborn as a piece of art that sells not only for its function, but also for the story it carries. This is why the possibilities are truly endless, because every piece of old wood and every discarded chair is not a limitation, but a door to creation, and every creation has the potential to become a treasure in the eyes of someone who values craftsmanship, sustainability, and style. To step into this journey is to embrace both creativity and entrepreneurship, to see not just what is but what could be, and to trust that beauty crafted from simplicity will always find its place in the world. And as more makers, dreamers, and entrepreneurs step into this space, they discover that the transformation is not just of the wood itself, but of their own lives. From hobbyists to business owners, from beginners to artisans, from dreamers to doers who turn imagination into income and old materials into new legacies. That is the power of revitalizing old chairs and weathered wood, the power to take something forgotten, transform it into beauty, and in doing so, create a profitable, meaningful, and timeless path that today's buyers not only admire, but eagerly seek out as they fill their homes with treasures that carry both artistry and soul. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable art and income generator treasure design and ideas of transforming old wood chairs. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.